It's green on the
Super
It's
slimy.
green on the single. One rule.
Look how sparkly and shimmery that is. My favorite color.
Blue. Look at this color. It's
And my
super
brother's
blue.
favorite superhero right there. Favorite superhero.
And this is.
That's Christian's favorite superhero.
Boop.
That girl right there, that is an eyeball.
It's not real.
No, but it's
Pink
not real.
wood. It's plastic. It's from our Halloween.
Yeah, it's plastic. Bloop. If you're a YouTuber and you know how to make slime, give us some tips. We really need it. Whoa, too close.
No, but yes. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Okay. Okay. Good. No, don't mix it. For me.
Okay, let him mix it.
Okay.
Don't put any more of that. Don't. You just need to stir it like crazy.
Don't destroy
You
it.
might have to get
After
the
me. After me.
slime mixer.
Then you.
Let me help you, Bubba.
Mama.
Mama?
Don't know that after me.
Christian's
Bubba.
funny. Be quiet.
Okay, that's.
Okay, that's enough. Sheesh. Are you supposed to add this into it even?
Yeah.
I don't even know.
Hey, Fred. He does it.
Yeah, but I think we might need to add soap in it.
Soap?
Yeah, I've seen some YouTubers add soap in it.
Blue. Blue.
I've seen some people add soap in it. Go get soap.
Okay. Then mix it. Then fill it with water. Adding in.
What?
Soap. No. I said soap.
No, you said soap.
Then